Welcome in, everyone. Hello, hello. We are going to be doing rational functions. So if you know any Algebra 2 students that are struggling with this rational functions, please share this live with them. This is also on the GED as well. So if you know anybody struggling with these type of problems on the GED, you can share this with them as well. And happy Thursday, right? We're one day away from the weekend. Double tap as you come in, double tap as you come in. Simplify each expression. So number one says, we have 3 over 8, okay? How we can look at this is we can first start simplify this way, up and down, and then we can start looking across, okay? So I'm going to draw a line. We're going to keep it 3 over 8 because they have nothing in common. And does anybody remember the rule? Whenever you divide variables, what do you do with their exponents? Do you add them, multiply them, subtract them? Does anybody remember what you do with the exponents when you divide variables? Does anybody know? Thank you for the double taps. I don't see it in the chat, so I'm going to tell you guys. So what we do, good. Bridget said subtract. Let's go, Bridget. Yes. So another way we can look at this is we have one A on the top and two A's on the bottom, right? If we cancel out an A, we would have one A left, but you have to know where. It would be on the bottom. So we have one A left on the bottom. Then we have a B. There's no B on top. We have C to the third minus 1. So that would give us C to the second. And then we have F to the third over F to the fourth. Well, we have one more F on the bottom. Good, DJ. This unlocked memory. Okay. So now we're going to hit times. Okay. Can anybody tell me what can we simplify? We can reduce this because these are even over even. So what can we take out of 12 and 18? What can we take out of 12 and 18? What can we do? We can divide by what number? 2. Great. Yes, we can divide by 2. Somebody said 6. That's even better. The book. Yes, by 6. So if we divide this by 6 and we divide this by 6, 12 divided by 6 will give us 2, and 18 divided by 6 will give us 3. Okay. Now we have A over A, which cancels. We have B to the second over B to the third. We have 2 over 3, so we have 1 B left on the bottom. Here we have a C on top, C to the second. We have 1 C left. Remember, it's just like this example that we did with the A's for these two. And then we have 1 F by itself. All right. Hey, Sharky, I did that this morning. So I will post it. I did the whole geometry triangle thing. I was looking for you this morning and I went live around 8 o'clock. But I'll post it on my YouTube page so you can look at it. Okay, Sharky? I already did it this morning. So 3 divided by 3, this cancels here. And then if you look here, we have a 2 here and an 8 here. Well, this can go out, and this 8 divided by 2 gives us a 4. All right. My YouTube is at Impact Math 19. If you click on my profile, you can find my YouTube page over there on my profile too. Okay, Sharky? All right, so now we have C squared and a C. Okay, a C squared and a C. So let's rewrite this. Okay, let's just rewrite it. So all we have on top is C squared. On the bottom, we have a 4. We have an A, B, F. And we also have a B, C, F. Okay. Now, look at, we have a C squared on top and a C on the bottom. So what we can do is that will cancel here and leave us with what, just one C, okay? That will leave us just one C. Now, whenever we're multiplying variables, what do we do with their exponents? Does anybody remember when we are multiplying variables, what do we do with our exponents? Oh, he said, bruh, I needed this 2 years ago. Oh, man. Add. Beautiful, K. Yes, add. So we would get 4. We have 1A. We have a B times a B, what would give us B to the second. We have an F times an F, would give us F to the second. So this would be our beautiful answer. C over this. Okay. All right, let's go to the next. I don't see any questions, so we're going to keep on pushing. So for number 2, okay, we're going to first reduce up and down, and then we'll look to cross reduce, okay? So I'm going to write this. 15 over 21. Does anybody know what number goes into 15 and 21 that we can take out? Does anybody know? Can everybody double tap their screen? Can we get to 2K likes? 3. Yes, good, you guys. So we would divide this by 3, divide this by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. Good. Now we look here. Remember, we subtract our exponents. So 2 minus 1 leaves us with 1A. We have a B squared, and then we have this C that's on the bottom. Okay. Here, we're looking to see what can we reduce out of the 14 and 6. Thank you for those double taps, you guys. Thank you for the rows, the crowns. Thank you. 2. Beautiful, you guys. Divide this by 2, divide this by 2. So 14 divided by 2 is 7, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, we have a to the 4th divided by a, which will leave us a to the 3rd. We have a b to the 3rd on bottom and a c to the 2nd. All right. Now we can start cross simplifying. Hi, Diana. Thank you so much for the rose. Welcome back, Diana. So a 7 and a 7 can cross out because 7 divided by 7 cancels. And then I feel like a lot of my students, once we put it all together, they're able to see like it better. So we're going to just put 5ab squared. We have an a to the 3rd, a c to the 2nd, over c, and we have a 3b to the 3rd. All right. Thank you, Los, for the rose. I appreciate it. Thank you for the double taps. I see we're at 2.9K likes. So thank you, you guys. All right. So what do you guys get as the answer when we reduce this? What do you guys get? Wait, how did you get the 3C? So since this was on the bottom, we're multiplying. So it's 3b squared times c. So I just wrote 3c b to the 3rd because I already put the c down. And so the number always has to go before the variables. So that's why I just put 3. Hello, Anna. So you could have wrote this as 3b to the cube c. You could have written it like this. This is the exact same as this. Oh, okay. Got it, Queen. Good. I'm glad you got it. Okay, perfect. That was a great question. So now, it doesn't matter about the order. Nikki, it only matters about the order once we get to the final answer, because we're going to write it in alphabetical order, like from A, B, C, D. So that's when it matters, okay? So how did you get a to the 3rd? Well, we got a to the 3rd by doing a to the 4th divided by 1a. So you got a over 1a. Well, this goes away and we're left with a to the 3rd here with 3 a's. So that's how we ended up with a. Got it. Good, Nikki. Okay. This is the subject I just got a 33 on last week. Oh, I'm so sorry, Lena. Okay, you know it's gonna show up on your final, right? It's gonna be up on your final. So join us, get a pen, let's start working, and hopefully it can start connecting for you. So let's keep this. We're gonna keep the 5/3 because they have nothing in common. We have an a times the a to the third. Remember, these are multiplying together. So we have to add the exponents. So we're going to get an a to the fourth. Okay, we're at the top.